Hi everyone, Norman here. Today I want to show you how to purl two together. This is a lovely left leaning decrease for the wrong side. On the right side it will appear exactly as knit two together and will therefore be right leaning. Let's show you how to purl two together. Okay, to purl two together the yarn needs to be in front. And then you insert, I'm gonna put the yarn out of the way, you insert the right needle into the next two stitches from right to left, and then you purl these two stitches together. Let's do that one more time. So insert from right to left, wrap the yarn around counterclockwise. I always push the yarn forward with my middle finger and then pull it through. One more time. Insert, wrap, pull through. Let's do that one more time in slow motion. Now very rarely you will notice that purling two stitches together is a little bit too difficult. This can happen especially here at the very end of your needles. And in this case you can employ a little trick. So you slip one stitch, then you purl one stitch, and then you pass that stitch over. And this here on the right side, you can see this very well. It will result in the exact same right leaning decrease. So let's do that one more time. Slip, purl, and then you pass the second stitch over. And as promised, here on the right side you can see it results in the exact same right leaning decrease, but maybe a little bit easier to do. Sometimes a pattern will tell you to purl two together but through the back loop. How does this work? Well, in this case you need to enter these two stitches from right to left and coming in from behind, and this can be super tricky because you have to reach all the way around to enter these two stitches and then wrap around counterclockwise and pull through. As I said, this can be super tricky, and it often helps if you loosen up that second stitch a little bit, because then it can be quite a lot easier to enter them and pull through. If you feel that is a little bit too difficult, and there's no shame in admitting that, because this purl two together through the back loop is a very complicated stitch, you can also purl one stitch through the back loop, slip that stitch back, and then pass the second stitch over. And this will result in the exact same decrease. However, purl two together results in a twisted decrease here, so you might as well just purl one stitch, slip that back, and pass the second stitch over. And this will result in a balanced stitch. So let's take a look at it from the right side. So here below the second version you can see here this is a normal stitch, whereas here the result will be a little bit more difficult to see. A twisted stitch, the same twisted stitch that lies here below. See, these two legs sort of cross whereas here they form a normal V. Anyway, that's how to purl two together in all its variations. Please comment below if you have a stitch you don't know how to knit and you would like me to record a little video, then comment below. Like this video if you enjoyed watching, and of course, happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day.